Silverfish are not a new aquatic pet trend, but those squiggly little bugs that love your old books and damp places. Their favorite haunts are damp areas, bookshelves, and dark closets. Rule number 1 in the Silverfish Removal Manual: keep it dry and tidy. A dehumidifier works wonders, and so does getting rid of paper clutter. And those cracks? Seal them up! Now for our secret weapon against the silver invasion: diatomaceous earth. It's like walking on broken glass for them, but totally natural and safe for us. Sprinkle diatomaceous earth around damp areas, in closets, and along bookshelves. It's like setting up a no silverfish zone. They simply can't cross it. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.